So, I got a new doll to unbox that I've never seen before. I don't even know what it's called, but I'm hoping I'm not in there. Just my hands, right? You just see my hands. Let me move it this way a little bit. Okay, so this is a commission doll that I'm going to be doing. And, I'm really looking forward to seeing this doll in person. See if it's got a name on the outside box. No. So this is a Sigma Glamaro, I'm not sure I'm saying that, sisterhood doll. And already she looks really cool. So I'm going to open her up. I've been waiting and waiting for this doll so that I could have fun playing. So here's a little note. I guess this is the receipt. So she was $164.95 total. I didn't order her. She was sent to me for a commission because I'm going to be doing a new face on her. So she's got all her goodies here. This little jacket. That's super cute. I don't want to take any of this apart though, unfortunately, because it's not mine. So I'm going to try to keep everything. I'll see what this is, just out of curiosity. She's got like a little bracelet in here. And what's this? Oh, some awesome boots. Oh, shoes. Holy cow, those are cool. I like those. Those are really, really nice. So I don't know what's in here. Let's take a peek. And then I'll just put it right back. But I just want to see what it is. Just tape it right back up as soon as I'm done. And then we will look at the doll. All right, come on. I should just get a little scissor or something. Oh! I don't know what this is. Is this what is this? Oh, I can't tell. I'm going to be wrapping it right back up. I just want to see what it is because I'm so curious. Oh, it's some kind of sign, or I don't know. It's got a little dog in it, some roses. I'm not exactly sure what that's about because I don't know the history about this doll. So I'm just going to wrap it back up. I'll have to do some research on that and put it right back inside of here. Go back to the client. These shoes are crazy good. Love the shoes. All right, let's check out the doll. I'm so excited. Let's not get it. So this is wrapped up very similar to the way a toner doll would be. But the company is Trinity Designs. And this is her certificate. She's a college doll. Okay. Oh, she's really cool. I'm going to make sure I leave everything in the box as we take her out. Those are some skin tight pants. Hello. So she's got a necklace here. It's stretchy so you can pull it off. Let's take her hair down. Uh-oh. Her earring's coming out. Got stuck to the thing. Same thing over here. I'll go ahead and just take it out and put it back. I'll probably end up putting it in the bag with the bracelet and this part. But she has the most beautiful face. Holy cow, she's got a pretty face. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. I will see if you can see her. Because I'm kind of far down, so I'm going to pull up on it so you can see her face. Look at that face. I mean, this doll is beautiful. She is a stunner. I don't remember what I'm going to do with her hair. I love her hair, but I think the client is going to have me do a different hairstyle, if I recall. I have to look and see, but isn't she beautiful? Like, this is a beautiful doll. All right, well, you know what we got to do. This is me. I'm gonna get her naked. So, because we got to see. So I'm going to take the earrings out because, like I said, I don't want to lose any of the pieces. And I'll go ahead, this comes stapled to the box. So I will put this in here, the earrings. She's already beautiful. I know I'm going to repaint her, but she's already beautiful the way she is. I don't want to break this. I'll carefully remove this off of her hair. We'll check the articulation and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm putting all of the things together so I don't lose any of the pieces, because like I said, it all has to go back to the client. All of this has to go back to her. So, wow. Well, she's got like a hand signal here. Really nice articulation in the hands. She's got like some, I guess that has to do with school or something. I really don't know. But very nice articulation. Cute outfit. Super cute. So this has like a little snap on the back of the t-shirt. Let me see. I would probably just slide it down. So I'll go ahead and take. And she's made out of, she's vinyl and plastic. I'll tell you, these pants are super tight. They're really soft though. Very soft fabric. So, very well made doll. I'm just gonna say that. Super well made. Okay, so everything is back in the box. And look, it's a cute box too. It's got like brick on it and stuff like that. It says Trinity Designs Inc. Really, really cute things to do. Turn in midterm assignment, call Student Life for room rental, get new banner, order the roses, print flyers for operation, big book bag, practice for the inner Greek step show. So she's a college student. And I think the box is really super nice. So everything I took off of the doll went back in the box for the client. And I'm going to put it back in its shipper, which is very sturdy. And then we're going to take a look at her, and then I'll go grab a couple of other dolls. So she's got nice articulation. I feel like she might be strung. Yeah, she's strung through here. Not her head or her arms though. Well, maybe this part, but not this part. Looks like this part's just articulated. Yeah, wrists in this are articulated, knees are articulated, but it looks like she's strung through the legs, the waist, and here. I don't know about her head, I can't tell. She's beautiful in the face. And I'm gonna pause this really quick. Beautiful lines. She's very narrow hipped. Let me go grab a Tonner doll and compare her to the size and things like that. Okay, so I'm in love with her face. I'm just gonna let you guys know. I think she's already beautiful, not repainted. I am gonna be repainting her, but she's already beautiful. Like, you wouldn't have to if you wanted to buy this doll. She's already pretty perfect the way she is. So this is I think it's an Antoinette body. And let's see if you can see comparison-wise. She's pretty similar in size. Her head is bigger, but it might be closer to it. Like, this one is actually kind of a small head doll, but you can see that they have very similar shapes. So I bet she could wear some Tonner clothes. You know, she's probably very similar. Here's another body, Tonner body. This is maybe a little bit bigger. The Antoinette is pretty small. So you can see they have very similar proportions to a Tonner doll. Let me go grab one and see about the head. Let me pause this. I can't go to it. Okay. So this is a jean doll. I mean, this is a toner doll, and they're almost exactly the same from top of head to the tip of their toes. I'm going to say they probably wear the same clothes. Very, very similar, not in design, but in size. She's a really solid 16-inch doll. Beautifully made. I bet she poses this. Oh, I forgot to see if she had a stand. I didn't notice one. I'll have to look. But this head also tends to run small. So now I have to go, hold on. Okay, I found a standard size toner head. So her head definitely runs bigger. A little bit bigger. I think it would blend well, fine. If some people are weird about it. Her head is a little bit bigger. It reminds me of, the head part reminds me of the Madame Alexander size maybe. But close enough, similar enough, I think. Just lovely. Now you know what I gotta do. Okay, so I can tell she's strung just by the way that she's sitting. So when she's standing, like she's got her, I gotta check shoe size to see how she fits in like toner clothes. And I have to see if she has a stand because I didn't notice one in the box. So let me go check that and get some clothes. Okay, so I found a toner outfit. I can't remember what size this outfit is. I want to say it fits Antoinette's. So we're going to try this on her. It's a lot of stuff. I don't know what's all here. There's shoes. What's this? A hat? Okay, there's some shoes. All right, cool. All right. Hold your horses. Let's try pantyhose and see if she has the same length legs as a toner doll. So I think toner can interchange their pantyhose between their Antoinettes and their Tylers and whatnot. She's got very narrow hips, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so I'm going to say her legs are a tiny bit longer. You can tell right here, doesn't quite make connection, but it's not bad. Let's see if shoes fit her because Antoinette has big old feet. So the shoes are incredibly large on her Antoinette shoes, but as you can see, she can get away with it. But those are, I wanted a Tyler outfit and my lights burned out and I couldn't find one. I was like, what the heck? So let's try. I'm not worried about those hips because they're narrow. So I know I'm going to be able to get, okay, it looks like the waist is smaller, but the waist and the hips are a little bit more narrow, but totally doable, right? I don't know what that is. And I don't know if I can pull her hands off. Like when you put something like this on, you generally can pop off the hands. Let's just try to do our best here and see if I can get it through. That kind of gets stuck in there. And like I said, I would just pop a toner hand off, but I don't know if I can with this doll. Fortunately, this one is just open. So it looks like I got a problem. I need a drink. Where'd my coffee go? All right, so she fits Antoinette pretty good actually. She's a little bit bigger across the bust, a little bit narrower through the waist and hip for a Antoinette outfit. Okay. But as you can see, that is one outfit, isn't it? You can see this fits her just fine. I don't know what this is. It's like a cape or something. I don't think it's important. this fits her perfectly. So I'm going to say 16-inch outfits are going to mostly fit her. Okay, I turned my camera off instead of turning it on. I've got it all messed up. So I tried on this little outfit for her and it fits her just fine. She has Tyler size feet, like perfect Tyler feet. So if you're looking for shoes, Tyler shoes are going to fit her. They fit perfect. And then this is her stand. So I did find one. She does have one, and it has like a waist. Oh, okay, you can't see it, but there's like one of the waist things that goes around there. I think there it is. It's like a waist thing. So it fits her. It looks like this is a shorter dress, so it's not like this. She's longer. I think that she fits in a Tyler. I would say Antoinette outfits are going to fit her really good. It looks like her hips are smaller. She's absolutely beautiful. Look at that face. I mean, she's just a stunning doll. But my final conclusion on her is that she fits into toner shoes, probably Antoinette outfits, maybe some Tyler outfits. Her hips are a little bit narrow and her waist is a little bit smaller. But I do think that you could get away with the outfits. Most of them, I bet. Especially dresses and things like that. But I'm sure it would work out. Anyway, that is it. She's absolutely beautiful. I love her. I don't have to paint her right now, so I put her in this little witchy outfit, and I'm just going to put her up on the shelf and enjoy her.